And now a message from the President of the United States, George W. Bush.
Good morning. This week, North Korea proclaimed to the world that they had detonated a nuclear device. This danger from abroad was looming a long time ago, and it might have been prevented if a previous administration had not failed to act some 12 years ago. It's Bill Clinton's fault, see.
Oh, so this is all my fault.
How'd you get in here? I'm trying to do my radio address. What?
Look, I tried to stop the North Koreans and Osama bin Laden. I tried. That's the difference between you and me. You did not try. I tried.
I tried.
No, you didn't. Now tell the truth. Now tell the truth.
I am telling the truth. 9/11.
It's all in your former security advisor, Richard Clarke's book. Did you read Richard Clarke's book?
No, I didn't, but...
Of course you didn't. You demoted him.
I read Camus this summer, and 3 Shakespeare's.
Look, you have done your nice little conservative hit job on me.
What?
You've done Fox News bidding.
All right, you're...
But I'm watching you, right-wingers. I'm watching you.
You're frightening me.
You brought this up. Now, I'll tell you something else. I tried not to have sexual relations with that woman. I tried. I tried and failed, but at least I tried. Did you try?
You lost your mind. Listen, everything's your fault, and that's the way it is because I'm president and I said so.
I tried.
Thank you for listening, America, and God bless you.
That's not accurate.
For a complete archive of the President's weekly addresses, visit weeklyradioaddress.com.